And we are here at the, I would say almost at the Kenya-Somalia border in a settlement by the name of Dadajabula. Dadajabula is a sub-district headquarters, and it is in a low-lying area. As you can see, it's been marooned literally as a result of the rains. A lot of people have had their dwellings filled with water, and they've had to try to move to higher ground and have been hosted at the school. And in collaboration with the Kenya Red Cross, who brought this food, which we helped transport from Nairobi to Wajir. And with the help of the Kenya Defense Forces, we have airlifted it from Wajir to Dadajabula. We're doing this in the next 3 days, 3 to 4 days, in as many as 40 settlements that are flooded and cut off with no road access. But even as we plan to help those 40 or so towns, villages, and settlements generally, there is still as many as another 100 that are suffering the adverse effects of the rains. I would like to urge those managing for us the national trunk roads to help open up the Garissa, Madogash, Wajir Road, and the Isiolo, Madogash, Wajir Road, which goes all the way to Mandera for traffic, by spot fixing the places that have been cut off. We have medical supplies to the tune of 147 tons, as I said this morning in the meeting, that we are trying to get here, and it's not possible to airlift everything. It is not economical, so we need the road spot fixed at the places that has been cut off, so that we return normalcy in our transportation system, at least on the main highways, so that supplies can at least get to our county headquarters as we try, with the help of KDF, to airlift those to the villages that have been cut off. We have also brought, as a county government, medical supplies here for medical emergencies, because when a settlement like this gets washed off, it creates all manner of hygiene problems. A lot of these people are using pit latrines, which at times like this then get washed away, and the water gets to mix with the fecal sludge. And that's a recipe for chaos. So we are trying to prevent waterborne diseases by supplying water treatment tablets, and we have also come with essential medicines to help the people of Dadajabula and its surrounding. The magnitude of the floods and the destruction that it's leaving in its wake in this part of the country is something definitely that the county governments alone cannot cope up with. And this is why we're seeking help from all stakeholders, and not the least, definitely, the national government. Kenya Red Cross has been very agile on the ground, Our Kenya Defence Forces have been of great help in logistical support, and it's through collective effort like this that we can minimize the adverse effect of the drought on our citizenry. I thank you.